Hello and welcome to all aboard Resin Creations. I hope you're having a lovely Christmas day, and I'm going to be making some baubles today. I'm using Apex High Gloss Finish resin today, and I've given it a water bath. I gave part A a water bath, and now I'm just going to get mixed up the two parts of resin. The mould I'm using today is by Moulds and Shapes. It's a lovely mould, and these Christmas baubles are quite large, but I'm just going to be putting a thin layer of resin in the bottom because I'm going to be doing like a little hand painted scene on the top of these today. So we'll get this all mixed up and then we can get some colour into this resin and get a nice layer down. I've stirred the resin for probably 4 minutes, and because I gave it a nice warm water bath, that eliminated like so many of the bubbles, and it's thinned it out a little bit, so it's easier for the bubbles to degas. So now I'm going to add some colour to this. I'm using Magic Blue mica powder, so I'm going to put a little bit of that into the resin. And I'm also going to be adding a little bit of glitter, and the glitter I'm using is the Mother of Pearl glitter by Hemway. So I'm going to add a little bit of that in as well, just to give it a bit of a sheen, because I just want a sort of bluey background. And then I'm going to be adding a bit of the colour shift mica in here as well. I'm not sure if that's gonna make any difference or not, but I'm gonna add it anyway. We'll see. I've never really had. I know we brush it onto things for colour shift, but I don't know. I thought I'd give it a go and see if it did anything or not, but I'm not sure it did, to be fair. So we're going to give this a good mix, and then we're going to get this poured into the moulds. This is all nicely mixed in now, so we're just going to add the resin to the moulds now, and I just want a nice thin layer, like I said, because I wanted to put a little wintry scene on the top of these, so I don't want to fill them all up because I need to leave room for a bit of top coat at the end. So I'm just teasing the resin around those little loops, and then of course I made up far too much resin, so we've got some leftovers, so I'm just going to make a little Christmas reindeer here, and still I had too much, so we made a little bear and then some little beads with the leftover resin. So we're going to leave that to cure now, and then we'll be back in a minute. These are all cured up now, and I demolded the 2 extra things that I made. That's the little elk, and I'll just take out his little antlers, and then we'll pop that in there, and yeah, he's looking lovely, isn't he? So I'll finish him off later. And the other thing was this little bear. He's turned out nice, so I'll finish him off later as well. I also did these beads, so I'll just quickly pop those out, and I can do something with those in a little while. Right, now to get on with this bit. So I've got some white acrylic paint, and I'm going to paint in a little snow scene on these baubles now. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of paint into a pot just to make it easier. And now I'm just going to paint on like some snow on the bottom. So I'm just dabbing the acrylic paint on just randomly, just to cover this bottom edge of the bauble. And then once this has got a cover on the bottom of the white acrylic paint, I'll start making some little trees. So I'm just going to draw a line up with the brush, and then just go from side to side with the brush, dabbing on like a sort of tree shape. So I'm going to do these. So I'll carry on doing this on a fast forward, and you can listen to some music.
tinsel shimmering all through the halls. Laughter echoes bouncing off the walls. Gifts are piled high, our love to share. Magic in the air everywhere. Merry Christmas, everyone, from all board Resin creations. Spread the joy to old and young. Join in on the celebrations.
I've got these little wooden glitter deers, and they're double-sided so they can go either way. So I'm just going to place these onto the acrylic paint while it's still wet, and then that will hold them in place so they don't float around when I come to put the top coat on. So I'm just setting these down where I think I want them, so that one can go facing the other direction. And they have got like a lovely silvery glitter on them. So I'm just going to randomly put these on. I think I'm just going to do one little reindeer in each little bauble. So then just one more to go. Yeah, that one's all right. Come on, one more to go. So we're just going to put this one in, pop that one in there, and then going to leave that to dry. And then once it's all dry, we can do a top coat of resin over these. I've also got these little tiny, I think they're plastic, little snowflakes. So I'm going to put a few of those on to each bauble. They're only tiny, right, but they are pretty, little snowflakes. So I'm going to pop some of those just randomly on the baubles, and then I'll secure those down using some UV resin, just so as when I come to do the top coat, they stay where I want them and they don't float around everywhere. So I'm just going to be putting these on all over in different places, and then I'm going to be using JDiction UV resin, and I'm just going to pop a little bit of UV resin just underneath where I want the snowflakes to be, and then I'll cure that with a UV torch. Just pop that down there and then give that a little cure. So I'm going to do that to all these little snowflakes, and then just put them in random places on the blue bit that you can see there. And then I'll be back when that's all done.
Snowflakes fall on a street so bright. Candy canes twinkle in the night. Smiling faces everywhere you go. Love and joy is all we know. Gifts wrapped tight under the tree. Hot cocoa and sweet memories. Kids laughing without a care. Holiday magic fills the air.
That's those all done now, and I have finished off the little elk, giving him a collar and a little snowflake on his nose. And I also finished off the little bear, gave him a crown, so he's all nice. And I've also made 2 keychains with the beads that I made. So that's the first one with a little round added bead on there, and then this is the second one that I made and just added some extra little beads on there. So that's those all done. So now I'm just gonna mix up some Apex resin to give these a top coat. I'm using Apex High Gloss resin to do this. It's a lovely resin. It's a 2-part 1-to-1 resin. So I'm just going to mix out equal parts of this resin, And before I stir it, I'm going to add in some glitter, because then that'll just save me having to mix it twice and add more bubbles. So I'm going to be adding some of the Hemway mother of pearl glitter into the resin. So just add in a little sprinkle of that in there, just to give a little extra something to the top coat. So I'm just going to give this a good mix for about 3 minutes, and then I'll be back when that's all stirred in. This has had a nice mix now, and it's all lovely and clear and no bubbles in it. So we're just going to give these baubles a nice top coat now, and hopefully with a little bit of something with the glitter. So I'm just going to go over all these baubles now and give them a nice top coat. If you go down to eye level on your mould, you can actually see whether they've all got the same sort of amount in, and you can tell how much they're doming. So I've done that, and I'm just topping up the ones that I think need a little bit more, and then giving them a nice dome. And then we'll leave these to cure, and then we can move on to the next bit. So I'll be back when they're all ready. These have all cured up nicely now, so I'm just going to pop these out of the mould, and then we can move on to the next bit. So now I'm just going to use a nail file and just go around each one of these baubles, and just file down any rough edges that might have been caused by any overpour from doming them. So that's all those done. That's and they're all slightly different. I think there's, well, I think some have got like one tree and one deer, and some have got 2 trees and 1 deer. But yeah, you can't do hand painted all the same. So it's nice that they're all slightly different. So that's those all done. So now we're going to put some ribbon on these. So I've got some lovely bows made up that I've made out of this blue ribbon. But before we pop those onto each one, I've got some strips of ribbon made up, and I'm just going to add the hanging ribbon first before I add the bows. So I'll do that, and then once they've all got their hanging ribbon on, I'll be back, and then we can put some bows on these. So that's all them with their hanging ribbons now, so that bit's all done. And now I've got these little bows to put on the top there. So I'm going to be using super glue with an activator spray. The activator spray is good. It just speeds up the drying process, so it makes it pretty much instant. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the back of the bow there, and then I'm going to spray the bauble with the activator spray, and then place the bow onto there, and then that will hold that in place. So I'm going to be doing that there. So that's that one done. Looks lovely, doesn't it? So I'm going to be doing that to all of these other ones. So I'll pop you on a little fast forward while I do that. And while I'm doing this, I just want to take this opportunity to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. I hope you're all having a lovely day, and you haven't stuffed your face too much with turkey and roast potatoes. But yeah, thank you ever so much to everyone that subscribes to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you all for liking and giving me a lovely comment. So I appreciate that very much. So I'm just going to pop these bits of glue out the way so I don't knock those over, and then that's these all finished. So we'll just take a little one last closer look at these, and so that's those all done, and all the extra little the 2 key rings that I did, and the little elk, And the little bear's there somewhere. There he is. There's the little bear. So thank you ever so much for watching, and stay tuned for the pictures at the end. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now. Merry Christmas.